And Joanne to come and pick me up.
Right, let's go.
Because a guy in Jamaican YouTuber. Let's go. Because a guy in Jamaican YouTuber. Icky my show. Jamaican YouTube. Shh. You know, sister song done my youth? Yeah, onto the video. Alright, so you know the sweeps, you know the sweeps, you know the beeps, you know the reps. We're out here in these streets, gonna get some food for the beats. Christmas dinner tomorrow by my friend. Yeah, so I'm a car express, but I'm gonna renew it first. Come enough and full. And I'm going tonight. Go ahead, fat man. And it's so weird. This is beef. Yeah, honey, cranberry, and lemon honey things. And you put it on the crackers. This is normal honey. This is cranberry and this is lemon. Lemon honey. So this is cranberry honey.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm not putting you on 100 because I know you have copyright issues.
Yeah, from his agency, you know, they don't like him.
Look,
the worst thing that happened to me with that was the other way around.
Don't talk, shut. I don't want to incriminate you.
I don't want this on this video.
Yeah, I don't want, exactly, so shut. Hi, Merry Christmas to one and all, back in the diaspora in Jamaica, America, Canada, wherever you are in the world as a Jamaican, or if you just really love Jamaican culture, just want to give thanks. So, Kai. Alright, so right now I'm waiting on Joanne to come and pick me up to go to Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, when it comes. Merry Christmas. So this is my red shirt, this is me. Just waiting on Joanne here. Us Apple users. Yo, we're there. Pussnut, muffins for days. Costco. Is it okay to be in the video or you don't want to be? Okay, I have to ask. You see, that's what you do.
I'm about it today, so please include me.
Yeah, girls at Christmas. That's what we get to you. Christmas tree and no settings. And girl in her français fond, she c'est la vie et parlez-vous français? Je ne sais quoi? Huh. Alright, so we're here live Jamaica, live with the
Jamaica live.
hungry like that.
Is it awesome? Chinese, okay, for me and...
Yeah, man, hold on.
Relax, I want to edit it.
I don't like it. That's why I don't care.
Give me a shit pan, no? Alright, out here in the streets, this is me do TikTok review and TikTok review. Christmas party done, ish, we done yam food and play game and reverse. Christmas eating bad and enemy.
Excellent. Right, let's go.